Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the second review of the mini dishwasher company that I got from Amazon. And before I do the demonstration, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that all of you, my fans, don't miss any videos or upcoming posts. And let's get started here. And I'll be showing you on this side. Yes guys, I got the dishwasher running, so then you guys get to hear how loud it is quiet. Oh guys, it's amazing. So there's a screw right here. You don't take the black part off. You're only taking this white piece off. And there's about 8 screws. And then the flathead, and then another screwdriver for taking the screws out. I think it was 3. I don't know. It's been about a month. And the flathead, you go in there. There's only 2 clips, I believe, is right here. And the flathead will go in, and then that way you push down, and then you do the other side of the same process. But really, I don't think you guys have to worry about this, but I recommend to do it. That way you get a better view of where the little fork, it goes like this, and then it clips in that way, and then you just slide it right out, or you can lift it up. I'm not sure, but I wouldn't do it. I just take it right out. It could be one person, and 2 people I recommend, because then you have the hose. It would be helpful if somebody helps you, right? Helps me for a fact, and it took me about 20 to 25 minutes because there was no videos that I found on YouTube, because I don't like the squeaky noise. And there you have it. If the video is for you, I'm glad you came to the right place. This will be able to help you how to get this off. And in the meantime, um, I used to work at the construction site, and I got laid off. I guess some tariff or something. And guys, this is very important to have. And I'll tell you why it's very important. Because this part here, I saw some of the videos that I was watching, and he had to go get a new part because one of the pieces fell into the drain. So I recommend to have this, and a lot of people don't do this because they put a lot of food down the drain, and that makes the maintenance guys and me for constructions a lot harder to fix and repair things from people's sinks. And if you guys got any questions or comments about this mini dishwasher, just comment below and I'll do the best I can to answer.